Guys, I'll show you how to try to put these Demco tanks on your tractor. First thing we need to do is find a mod that you want to add the Demco tanks to. So we'll go here and go into 2015 into your mods folder, and this one right here looks like a pretty good candidate. So I'll just what I usually do is just right click and copy, and then I paste it up on the desktop. Right click again, and I just extract all right to the desktop. Seems to be the easiest for me. I'm sure there's other ways to do it. After you've extracted it and got it out of the zip file, you need to open up the i3D file with the newest Giants editor. So just double click that. There is your model. And the first thing we need to do is create a transform group. Once you do that, you need to highlight it, and I go up to here and go cut it out, and then make sure you click on the name for your model up here. It's going to be the top one. Click on that, highlight it, make sure everything's highlighted right here, hit edit, and paste it in there. And you'll notice it's way down here at the bottom called transform. Highlight it, and over here in your attributes, pay close attention to your index path. You want to write that number down, 0. I guess that's a greater than sign, 45. So make sure you write that down and remember it. Come up here and rename that Demco, and that's all you have to do. Save it. When it's done saving, go ahead and close that out. Now you need to find the XML for the tractor, and it's usually the one with the name right here. I always open it with Notepad++ because it's just easier to work with. It's free on the internet, you just got to find it. But you want to come down here to attacher joint. Find the attacher joints. And once you have found it, which right there it is, I just go all the way to the end of the line that I want. So it puts it on the last line. And then you just go to the website here where told you how to do it. And I just... what I did was just copy this. It seemed to work out pretty good for me. Right click and copy. And then I right click and right click and paste it in there. Just like that. I don't know if this makes any difference, but I just push it over to the end here just for looks, I guess. Maybe it does make a difference, but I'm not really sure. Once you're done doing that, make sure the index path that you copied down earlier, that goes right there. Change that to the index path that you have. It's going to be different than 45. I've done a couple of these, and they've all been a little bit different. Once you've changed it to the index path that we got in the i3D file, go ahead and save it. Now it's time to zip it all back up, and how I do it is just select everything, hit the share, zip it back up. Then I just name it the exact same thing it was before. Once I do that, I right click and I cut it out of there. And then I go back to my mods and I right click and paste it in there. And yes, I do want to overwrite that file, so do that. And we can go ahead and start the game up, and we'll see if it actually works. We'll start a new game here. Start it. We'll go ahead and, oops, I don't have enough money. Go ahead and buy the tractor that we did, and then we'll go ahead and buy the Demco tanks. Darn it, I don't have enough money again. All right. Hopefully, we'll come around to our tractor, and there it is. I say, hopefully it works. And by golly, it does. Looks really good on a tractor like this. Great mod. Hope you guys figure it out. Hope it's helped you. If you got any questions, ask. I'll try to answer them. Thanks for watching.